Hello to all my friends out there, and I started a new show on my channel, and it was called Cheap Eats. And the whole idea of these shows is really cheap meals. So, but still, you know, I can make some pretty good meals. Okay, this is what I'm having. This'll do. Okay, so somebody asked me, well, what do you use the lard? Okay, here's the lard I bought, and I just started using it. And I think I like it. I think I like it. I'm surprised. I never used it before. I mean, let me show. I find, you know, I can get away with 2 corn dogs. Those I bought for $1. And then these fries, I find them to be good. I bought them at Dollar Tree for $1. And I'd say there's maybe about 25 cents worth of fries. I just want a little meal. I don't want, you know, I had a big tea party. I ate 2 pieces of cake, so, you know, I've had enough calories, but I still have to eat dinner. So let me show you in case you've never noticed them before. These are the Dollar Tree fries, and I just bake them in the oven. 1 pound and 4 ounces. So say 1 1/4 pound. Those are $1. I've been eating these for a month. And then I bought these at Dollar Tree for $1. I find them to be good. And then I bought this at Walmart for $1.76. And then I have some chamomile tea, 99 cents only. This is my favorite one. I don't know if it's psychological, but I think it tastes the best. So, okay, so my tea is really a cheap beverage. Even this small package, let me see, how many did I get in here? 10. So these are 10 cents. So if I drink all of this tea, it's herbal tea, it'd be 20 cents. But I do have tea that is 1 cent. So, you know, if I want to be really cheap, I can drink that tea. Sometimes I do want to be really cheap. Well, pretty much all the time I want to be really cheap. So, I think this meal is maybe about $1.25. So then, you know, I just want to take my fries off my napkin. So, you know, I'm getting most of the lard off. You know, I'm draining my stuff. There's still a little bit on there. I'm not going to be one of these people splitting hairs, you know. I'm just going to be reasonable in the amounts I eat. You know, I eat 2 meals a day and I exercise. I can't stand cheap mustard. So, okay, you guys, this is Cheap Eats, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And thank you for all of the nice comments. They were really good, and God bless you all.